Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Lala Baby po nagpapakilala ha. Hello po. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng reading for the third week of July. So let's see the energy, okay? The pangkasalukuyan na energy, okay? Alam po nating energy is very fluid. Pwede pong magbago-bago. Okay? So, yung pangkasalukuyang energy, let's see. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, narito ang tinatawag na hangman. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the judgment. The fool. Narito ang the Aries. Ito yung tinatawag na the moon. Okay? The devil. So, let's see, ha? So, naririto ang tinatawag na, meron po ditong tinatawag, it's like pasyente, okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong pasyenteng ito is nangangailangan ng medical attention, psychiatrist or a psychologist. Okay? So, narito po ang tinatawag na the hangman, okay? That's the energy. The, the judgment, okay? The fool, okay? The Aries, okay? The emperor, the moon, and the devil, okay? So, meron po dito yung tinatawag na very, very complicated ang tao na ito. Mahirap siyang kausapin, di ba? Yan. So, maaring sabihin natin psychologically, kailangan niya ng tinatawag na tulong ng isang psychiatrist, psychologist. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag maraming gumugulo sa kanyang isipan. Okay? Very, very magulo. Yan ha? Not in order ang kanyang kaisipan. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na dito ang the fool. Okay? The fool is tinatawag na ito, Uranus, okay? Very rebellious, okay? Very rebellious ang taong ito, okay? So, maaaring tinatawag may kalituhan sa buhay niya, okay? Pero narito rin yung tinatawag na it's more about redemption, okay? Meron ditong it's more about tapos na ang kanyang time frame. Nasaan siya? Diba? Kasi narito siya, it's like naroon siya sa isang cubicle. I think it's like a cubicle or a kwarto. Okay? Very, very isolated siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, naghihintay na lang siya ng kanyang tinatawag na release, paglaya. Maybe nasa isang institution siya, okay? Or nakabilanggo. Or naka-confined sa hospital or sa bahay. Diba? Very, very rebellious. Yan ha. Gusto na niyang makalabas. Yan ha. So, nakikita dito malakas ang loob niya. Yan ha. Malakas ang loob niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi pa natag ang kanyang pag-iisip dahil narito ang tinatawag na the moon. Okay? Hindi siya makatulog. Maraming gumagambala sa kanyang kaisipan. Yan ha. Okay? Siguro kailangan niya ng pills from the doctor. Yan ha. Okay. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na this person wants to prove. Okay? Kasi narito ang the emperor. Yan. They want to prove themselves. Yan ha. Na kita mo matanda na. Di ba? Aging. Yan ha. They want to prove themselves about their sanity. Maayos pa ang pag-iisip nila. Okay? Kasi dito siya. Di ba? Yan o. Kahit aging na sila, di ba? Sabi na nating maybe invalid or tinatawag na wala na silang kakayahan to perform. Nakita dito na hindi sila disposable. Okay? Hindi sila disposable. Okay? Matino pa sila. Kaya pa nilang mamuno, di ba? So, let's see. Yan ha. They are fighting. It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag na the yin yang. Kasi ito ay the moon. Okay? So, they are fighting. Narito on the devil. Okay? They are fighting their demons. Okay? Demons, it's nasa loob, 'di ba? Mga sabi na natin frustration nila, kahinaan, 'di ba? Maaring meron silang nervousness. Okay? Pero nakikita naman dito tinatawag na meron ditong masarap ang buhay, 'di ba? Siguro ay pensyonado ito. Masarap ang buhay naman niya. Okay? It's like hinaharvest naman nila ang kanilang kasaganaan. Okay? Yan. So, naririto yung tinatawag, their hopes, dreams. Okay? Their hopes, dreams. Yan. Maybe this person, it's like tinatawag na, hindi pa, it's like, hindi pa yata tapos. Okay? Hindi pa tapos ang kanilang pakikibaka sa buhay. Yan. Okay? Someone here is already resurrected. Resurrection, nakikita ko lang. Okay? So, it's like they want to prove something. Diba? Yan o. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na hindi sila disposable. Okay? Yan lang. So, let's see. Okay? Saang areas ito sa buhay ninyo? Deep thinker ang taong ito. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, it's about their malalim. Okay? Ang kanilang tinatawag na relationship to God. Yan ha? Malalim. Nakikita rin dito very, very intuitive. Okay? It's like meron silang X-ray vision. They can see everything. Yan. Okay? Gusto nilang mapanatag. It's like sleepless night. Hindi mapanatag ang kanilang pag-iisip. Okay? So, maaaring itong taong ito is under medication. Maybe they are drinking. Okay? Yan. Meron ditong tinatawag suicidal, ha? Okay. Tendency to get suicide. Okay? Gusto nila mag-suicide. So, kailangan nito yung tinatawag na a priest, okay? Someone. Para sila'y kausapin. Para ma-save. Okay? That's all I see. So, naririto, okay? They are ignoring. Kung meron silang mga, let's say, sabihin na nating kahinaan, they are ignoring it. It's like tawag ng laman. Okay? They are ignoring it. So nakikita mo dito, ito yung tinatawag na the Hierophant, okay? The Taurus. Ito yung tinatawag na sagrado, okay? Sagrado ang buhay, sagrado ang bahay nila, okay? It's like meron silang sacred, halimbawa sabihin natin lugar sa bahay nila where they pray. Naroon, if they are Catholic, naroon ang mga santo, ang Panginoong Diyos. Okay? Sagrado. Yan ha. May mga lahi itong pare. Yan, nakikita rin dito. Okay? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na they follow the Ten Commandments. Okay? What's written in the Bible. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na kita mo may mga followers din siya. Diba? Yan. So, maybe this person is a preacher or tinatawag na nagpapakalat ng salita ng Diyos. Yan ha. They're always thinking. Deep thinker. Lagi silang gising. Nasa isang lugar lang sila. Okay? Okay. So, narito ang tinatawag na the lovers. The Gemini. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag in their, sabihin na nating relationship nila is, it's like magulo, diba? Maybe from the past, relationship are very magulo, especially marriage life, diba? Nakikita. Pero, they maintained, okay? Nasa loob pa rin sila ng sagradong kasal, okay? Yeah, it's like they are always para silang strangers to each other. Kasal sila, pero parang hindi sila lubos na magkakilala, 'di ba? It's like palagi silang tinatawag na adjusting, nag-a-adjust, 'di ba? Kasi magkaiba ang kanilang tinatawag na energy. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na mga single na, maybe byuda, diba? Mag-isa na lang sila. So, nakikita it's like the relationship, okay? Nasa loob. It's like for better, for worse, for sick and death, kailangang magkasama sila. Okay? Kaya narito ang tinatawag the judgment. Okay? Ginagampanan nila. Palagi silang nasa, it's adjustment. Laging nag-a-adjust sa isa't isa. Hindi sila compatible. But they remain. They don't go out. Okay? They don't go outside the contract relationship. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Pentacles, di ba? The Four of Pentacles is more about tinatawag na it's like hoarding, keeping, di ba? Pinanatiling malapit sa kanilang puso, di ba? Yan. Titingnan ko lang. Yan. Malapit. Maybe may kinalaman din ito sa tinatawag na achievements nila, di ba? Trophies, medals, love, marriage, materials, at yan, mga na-achieve nila, winning. So, meron ditong tinatawag na before they invest, okay? Kailangang pag-isipan itong mabuti. Yan ha. It's like mabuti na ang nag-iingat kesa sa padalos-dalos. Okay? Let me see. Saan ito? Okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the death. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin ng the death na ito is more tinatawag na kailangang i-let go ng taong ito. Kung ano ito, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag maybe masyado siyang nakakling sa materials. Masyado siyang nakakling sa kanyang pangarap, hopes and dreams. Masyado siyang nakakling. Yan. Masyado siyang nakakling sa kanyang yaman, sa kanyang pag-ibig. Diba? Yan. So, it's more about tinatawag preparation. Okay? Yan. Okay? It's more about preparation. So, narito ang tinatawag na ito yata'y maaring donation, a gift, okay? It's like pinag-isipan niyang maigi, di ba? Yan. Kasi narito ang the lovers, okay? Pinag-iisipan niyang maigi kanino niya ibibigay ang tinatawag na the pentacles, di ba? Pag sinabi mong the pentacles, yahabilin, magte-take over, di ba? Mamamahala. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na this person is like talking to God, di ba? Yan. Kung kanino niya ibibigay ang susi. Ito na, di ba? Yan. So, maingat siya sa paggawa ng desisyon. Di ba? Kumbaga dito, pinag-aaralan niyang maigi kasi ito'y the lovers. Kung sino ang karapat-dapat na tumanggap, di ba? Halimbawa ng mana, ng properties, ng kung ano man itong iiwan. Yan ha. Kasi narito ang tinatawag the death, di ba? So, I see. Okay? So, let me see. Mataas ang moral value ng taong ito. Okay? It's all about their morality. Pero, bakit ito is tinatawag na pinanghihinaan? Okay? Kasi dumating ang the devil. Ba't pinanghihinaan? Okay? Meron siya ditong tinatawag na ayaw niyang i-let go. Di ba? Yan. Hindi pa siya ready i-let go ito. Okay? Is this about their conscience? I don't know. I think that's their conscience, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, if it's about guilt, may guilt sa conscience, di ba? So, they need tinatawag na preparation to go for a confession, di ba? Para maalis, di ba? Maalis ang guilt. Okay? So, let's see. Okay. So, naririto ang the Queen of Wands to the Three of Pentacles. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, this person is waiting. Diba? Yan. Tinatawag na magkaroon ng outcome. Okay? Yan. Magkaroon ng tinatawag na it's like ano ito? It's more about maaari ito'y pag-uusap, diba? Yan. O yung tinatawag na alam mo ga itong taong ito is tinatawag na napakatalino, diba? It's like kasi nakikita mo nakaupo na, okay? maybe most of the time, palagi siya nakaupo. Okay? Pero, ibig sabihin nito, ayaw niyang umistop, di ba? Kasi, parang, siguro hinahanap-hanap niya. Maybe ito yung profession nila, di ba? Yan. Ayaw nilang umistop. Yan. Kasi nakikita, gustong-gusto nila itong ginagawang ito. Di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin they are as a teacher, it's about their profession kasi naka-corona, di ba? About their profession, di ba? So it's more about teaching, giving instruction, di ba? I don't know, it's like kung wala siya, very very concerning ang taong ito about others, di ba? Gusto niya laging it's like makinig kayo sa akin, di ba? Ito ang inyong gawin. Yan ha. Yun. That's I see. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag mababa ang energy niya. Okay? Siguro puyat. Puyat siya. Kasi laging gising dito sa tinatawag the moon. Okay? Puyat. Palagi siyang puyat. Okay? Kaya sandalit lumabas ang tinatawag na the devil. Yan ha. So this person is fighting. Okay? It's like nakakaroon dito ng tinatawag na I don't know kung doubt ito. Di ba? Questioning. Yan. Medyo nahihirapan. It's about their beliefs. Di ba? Maaring sabihin natin kini-question nila ang kanilang faith. Di ba? The religion. Kasi double confirmation ang tinatawag na the devil. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, consultation. Di ba? Yan. Kasi nakita mo the Three of Pentacles, consultation para ma-resolve, di ba? Yung problema ng taong ito. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag the Four of Wands. Yan ha? Yan. So, ibig sabihin ng the Four of Wands, this person, okay, tinatawag na they are happy. It seems they are happy. Okay? Sa kanilang bahay. They are enjoying. Diba? They are enjoying their lives. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, yan, masagana ang buhay niya. Diba? Napakasagana ng buhay niya. So maybe there is a tinatawag na a feast, a celebration, an occasion to celebrate. Okay? Hindi ito magtatagal. Okay? Kasi the Four of Wands. Yan ha. So, meron itong tinatawag na pinaplano. Di ba? Marami siyang gustong gawin. Gustong planuhin. Di ba? Maybe this person is a writer. Okay? They are writing a book. Yan ha. So, whatever is this, it's like, nakikita dito, this person will meet their creator. Narito ha. Kasi narito ang tinatawag the tax collector and the hangman. Okay? Soon. Hindi ko naman sinabing kayo. Maybe relatives. Somebody very, very significant sa inyo. Okay? They will face their creator. So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like they don't know when, di ba? Okay? So, narito, sandali lang, tinatawag na it's like they are not in good terms, okay, to others. Meron ditong mga tao, okay, it's like double confirmation. Yan. Ayaw nilang makiisa. Diba? Yan. Okay? Ayaw nilang makiisa. I think it's them. Okay? So, nakikita dito, the prostration of the Aries, the Leo, and Sagittarius, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, ilang beses ko itang bibigyan ng instruction, pero hindi pumasok sa isip. Kaya nakikita mo, their prostration. Di ba? Okay. So, meron sila ditong tinatawag na hindi pa nila kayang i-let go. Okay, sa buhay nila. Maaring tinatawag na their work, di ba? Family, loved ones. Tinatawag na wealth, di ba? It's more about comfort. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita mo dito yung tinatawag na nabablangko. Okay? Nabablangko sila. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, meron talaga ditong tinatawag na they are in a, it's like secluded. They are not seen. Di sila nakikita sa public. Diba? And they are hoping, okay, na makabalik uli sila. Diba? Yan. So that's what I see for you. If you want a private or personal reading, okay, please contact me. Okay? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag their legacy. Okay? Yan o. It's about their legacy. Whatever their legacy, ito yung tinatawag, maybe, kung kanino nila iiwan. Diba? Yan. But they are very, very frustrated. May mga kasama silang very, very frustrated. Diba? Kumbaga dito mahirap i-train, mahirap turuan. Okay? Palaging turuan. Yan ha. So they are waiting for someone. Okay? It's like the people they are waiting, they are coming na. Okay? So ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na masayang pagsasama. Di ba? So they are trying, it's like they are behaving, di ba? It's like nagpapagaling. Okay? Yan. They are doing their best to look better. Okay? Para dito. Kasi may mga iniintay sila. Diba? Yan. So it's about their planning. They are planning. Diba? It's like they are writing. May mga sinusulat. Pinaghahandaan. Preparation. Okay? May mga preparation. Okay? So dito lang nakikita. If this person is married, it's like sa tagal na nilang magkaasawa, di ba? Let's say sabihin natin 10, 20, 30 years, 40 years, di ba? How long they've been married. Pero parang hindi pa rin sila magkakilala. Okay? Yan. But their relationship is blessed dahil nananatili sila sa loob ng relationship. Okay? Yan. Nananatili. So, ibig sabihin nito, dumating ang tinatawag the tax collector. I call this the death the tax collector. Diba? It's time, okay, na tinatawag magkaroon ng organization sa buhay nila. Pagpaplano, diba? Yan. It's more about magplano na, okay? Pagpaplano, whatever is this, they are expecting, okay? Yan. It's like kailan ito gagawin, magaganap, tinatawag be organized. Yan ha. Okay? So may mga iniintay talaga sila, okay? Because there is a celebration. Okay? So dito lang. Okay? Yan. So that's what I see. Yan ha. Pero nakikita dito, this person is, it's like they want a new chapter, di ba? An end of a chapter, a new chapter, an end of a cycle, a new cycle. Okay? Pero nakikita mo naman, they are blessed. Okay? They are blessed. So it's about their beliefs, their religion. Very, very religious ang tao na ito. Okay? So ibig sabihin nito, it's about their blessing. Okay? It seems they are very, very blessed sa buhay nila. Okay? So maaaring ito tinatawag, merong mga, let's say sabihin na natin, maybe they are single, forever single, bachelor, bachelorettes, abiyuda, abiyudo, or separated. Okay? So, nakikita dito. Okay. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag indisposable. The Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is indisposable. Okay? Yan.